Hey guys, I would like to share to you my latest discovery of this synchronization program called Laplink PCSync, which I am now using in my various computers at home and have made my file management more effective and saved me so much time. So let me open the program itself. In this example, I'm using just two computers. My host is running Windows XP Professional, while my remote is running Windows 7. But be informed that you can synchronize files to multiple computers in a PC to PC, PC to Mac, and Mac to PC. PCSync is very ideal in a local area network. So this setup is for an offline synchronization. There are other online synchronization programs, but I don't want to share my personal information online, so I just find it not safe. There are three types of connection offered by PCSync. One is using USB cable, where you can attach an external drive. Second is using a Laplink cable, and the third is using a network connection. In this example, I'm using a network connection to connect to the other computer. At this point, I just selected new connection, but please note you have to run the PCSync in all participating computers in the network. The system will automatically detect the computers running PCSync. In my case, the other computer name is admin-jt. That's why it shows on that small window. Now type in the login name and the password for the other computer so that you can connect and begin to sync. After you enter the correct information, the system will ask you whether you want to save the connection so that you will have a reference for your future synchronization and transfer of files. Now I'm presented with two options, whether to just transfer any file or whether to synchronize files between multiple computers. So at this point, I just selected synchronize. So I just selected the new icon. I clicked the new icon under the synchronization jobs. To add folders to synchronize, just select one folder from each of the computers and click next. The blue colored folder is the local computer, while the yellow folder is the one that's in the network. So it's either way. You can just select from the select folder a button to select either folders or files. At this point, I have selected the purchase order sent out, which is the subfolder under the folder customer in my local computer, as well as in my network computer, which is folder B. Then I am presented with three options. There's a synchronization, which is a two-way. That means all the files in folder A and all the files in folder B are synchronized. Next is one-way synchronization, which is only all the files coming from folder A should be transferred to folder B. And the next option is all the files from folder B going to folder A. So there are three options that you can choose from. The synchronization jobs has two options. The pre-scheduled, which is an automatic type, and the second one is a manual. Sync allows you to restrict the synchronization jobs to include only certain file types. So you can select from the options here. Like for example, the images, you can only restrict it to JPEG, GIF, PNG, PMP, or the like. So you can filter those types to be synchronized. Next, you will be asked to specify the name of the synchronization job. You have to put the name so that by next time you just have to call this name and then it will automatically do the job for you. So I think that sums up the synchronization type of connection. Another connection is file transfer. If you have certain files that you just want to transfer from one computer to another, all you have to do is click the file transfer just right below the connection folder. Next is you have to double click the name of the computer. In my case it's admin-jt, and then multiple window will show up. In my case here it's file A, which is the local from the local computer, and file B, which is in the network computer. So you have just the next steps is just straightforward. All you have to do is just select the file from one window and then drag it to the next window, or vice versa. In my case I selected the one that is highlighted here, and then just drag it, and then it just appears right away on the other window, which is on the other computer. I guess I have already covered the basic and function of Laplink PCSync, and I've showed you how easy it is to synchronize and transfer files. For more information and advanced, you may want to visit www.howtosyncfilesbetweencomputers.com. Again, that's howtosyncfilesbetweencomputers.com. Thank you so much for your time, and good luck.